Eto na guys, finally, nakuha ko yung katana! Nadipit ko na siya! Yes, kaya ko tumalon na malakas. Puy! Wait lang, nasa taas kasi ako. Look at my jump. Puy! Diba? Ganun. Sheesh, ang bilis na. Pwede pa ako mag-tornado. Sheesh! Ang saya ko na. Last video, lagi lang ako namamatay. Ngayon, meron ako nagawa na idea. Pag nag-guard siya, yung shield ba, sa katabi ko. Ganon. Gagamitin ko to. Energy essence. Bounce. Attacks break shields easily. Ganon. Special cooldown. 5 seconds. Ganon. Eto, nadipit ko. Eto, yung sword ba nakuha ko sa may quest. Dito ba? Ano pangalan nito? Philip. Si Philip pala. Yan, nakuha ko. Eto, finally, nakuha ko na. Ganun yung idea ko, guys. Ngayon, paunoodin mo na yung next video ko. Pag may Robux na ako, bibili na ako ng damit. Ng dami. Yo! Sasabayin ko yung friend ko, yung sa may Roblox, yung tinetext ko. On PvP. Baka mayroon nagsabi niyan. Wait lang. Gano muna ako. Titignan ko muna. Joke lang. Red ko. What if I can look at I have a tornado. I have tornado skill. Tempest plunge. To Tempest. Tornado! Speed! Look, the tornado. It's too big, kinda. If you far is so like you can see like it's small. You can see it's like it's small. We can go past. Like Sonic is fast. He's so speed. He's too speed. Do you see racing with the... Wait a minute. What I just see? Look. I can defeat that. I cannot see that. I gotta jump up na. I cannot jump up. Let's go get the golden katana. I cannot take that. I cannot jump over that. So guys, pag nanalo ka nyan, sabihin mo sa akin. Pag nag-comment kayo. Pag-comment kayo kung nakuha nyo na. Kung namatay kayo lagi, sabihin mo. Kung hindi nyo na makukuha, turuan kita. Ganun lang kadali. First, yung pag hindi kayo marunong, pag meron kayo naisip, pag meron kayo ganyan yung na-sword, yung hinahawak ko, yung equip. Tapos pag nahilo ka na, tumakbo ka lang, yung pag nakaupo ka, tapos nahilo ka, pwede ka mag-sprint. Pag na-stun ka, galing. Pag tapos na yung stun, pag naka-sprint ka, babagal ka. Ganun. Dapat i-up mo yung sprint mo, tas i-on mo yung sprint mo para bonus ka. Ganon. Ito yung ginamit ko para mapatay siya. Ganyan. Ito, ginagamit ko yung patay niya ito. Ganon. Ganon. Tas ito. Ay, kailangan ko na pina na gusto ko ay Yan, Mega Punch is change to... Wait lang, mag-yes muna ako. Change to B2. I am Ninja! What is that? There's Yolot! Tornado! Lastly, because this focus! Ah! Bam! Hindi sumali. Hamam! Wing! Hamam! Wing! Push! Hamam! Push! Oh, sheesh! Naduwal. Ay! Tornado! May sakal! Oh my god, nandito na ako. Smasher! Detection dive pala. Sakal ko yung Smasher! Oh! Tornado! Ay, sakal. Tornado! Physical! Tornado! Physical! Ay, ang init-init. Tumatalon siya. Huwag mo yan. Mamatin yan! Detection! Ay, ka dyan. Detection dive! Yay! We are defeated. The noob just died. The noob. Hehe. Hehe. He died. Ay! Go! Go! Run past here. I destroyed. I gotta grind. Look. Let me see. Ah! Tornado! Ay, guard pala yan. I dodge. Tornado. Nagtatamaan sa tornado. Walang damage. Kayo nang bato matatapos. Kayo. Nadadamage pa. Pagpatay ka siya. Uy! Diba? Uy! Nandyan yung nakuha. This statue, maglilisen ka dyan. Yung pagtapos na mateteleport ka dyan para makukuha mo yung, di ba? Di ba, ninja yung dami. Kasi kailangan mo yung patayin para kukuha mo yan. Biglang napatay ko na. Yay! Yay! Okay. Malakas na ako. Nasaan yung, ano neto, yung tali? Nasaan na? Wala. Agi. Tingnan mo yung jump neto. Pag walang katana. Ang hina. Pag may katana, whee! Ang laki. Bye-bye. Joke lang. Wala pala ako sprint. Kala ko may sprint. Ayun yung portal, oh. Ito po yun. Alala! Gulat ako. Ano nagagawa niyan? What is that? Oh, you need to kill it. Huwag alis kayo dyan. Huwag namatay kayo. I've been corrupted. I've been corrupted. I glitch. Oh! I see my I see it. He have that. He killed it. Oh, that's why I teleported. I said, what's wrong? Like that. Let's go. I want this because I can jump higher. I cannot jump. Wait. This is the hard quest. The musical man. Tornado, may dami pa yan. How will you stand me? He blocked you. What the? Oh my goodness, logging. I got the katana. I killed him. The statue. He teleported me to challenge him. Now I killed it. I can jump higher. I see that. I've been destroyed that. How do you get that? How do you kill him? Damage that. Oh, what is that like that? How? How I just do that? Is in B2? Oh, you saw the damage. He just died in one hit and my shield. Meg. The green is the dummy protection. The dummy protection. That's why he can die in one hit. Come here. I'm not gonna kill you. The green is not kill you. Bye. Like and subscribe. Don't forget. Eat. What if you comment you get it or not? I'll teach you in the third episode. It's that. Bye. Me.